So my name is Ashok Raj and I'm from the Pioneer and I came from India, New Delhi. I have a questions to
I can't
PM
see
in
you.
waiting. Here.
Oh,
Yeah.
there you are.
So I have a question to you that what is your foreign policy plan and how you see the India and Bangladesh relations, because we are the not immediate neighbor. But yeah, we share culture and everything. So your comment on India and Bangladesh relations, and second one, which is very much related to ICT. Do you going to review and scrutiny the verdict and the decision has made by the ICT? Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. I think we have cleared ourselves regarding the foreign policy, which is the interest of Bangladesh and the interest of Bangladeshi people comes first. By protecting the interest of Bangladesh and the people of Bangladesh, we will decide our foreign policy. Thank you.
আমি একটু প্রশ্ন করতে চাই আমার নাম
ওনার মধ্যে আরেকটা প্রশ্ন
আইসিটি
Thank you.
Thank you. I think it's a good question. Bangladesh Nationalist Party follows the principle of multilateral